Many TIS devices have digital inputs, dry inputs, such as the RCU or the 4 to 22 digital inputs module. To program these dry inputs, go to the software, select one of the modules with digital inputs, such as the RCU, and double-click it. Then go to the Digital Input tab. By default, all inputs are enabled. You can disable any input by unchecking the box next to it and then pressing Save. The Status button will show the live status of the dry inputs, indicating whether each one is connected or disconnected. It is very important to understand what device is connected to your dry input. If it is a light switch, you need to know whether the physical switch is a push-button type or a rocker switch. If it is a push-button switch, then under Type, you can select Single On, Off, Combination, or any other function except Mechanical Switch. Select Single On Off as an example. Once you save, the input will become a single action input. Then you can press the Command button and configure it to control any light you choose. This push button will turn the light on off and will also dim the light if the dimming function is enabled by long press. To enable dimming, press the Mode button and change it to dimming. If your light switch is a rocker switch, or if you connected your dry input to a third-party normally closed NC or normally open NO dry contact sensor, then you need to press Type and select Mechanical Switch. After saving, the mechanical switch will provide two different actions to manage your commands. Mechanical Switch On. Mechanical Switch Off. You can assign commands to turn lights on or off depending on whether the switch is connected or disconnected. For example, when the switch is connected, turn on the living room light. When the switch is disconnected, turn off the same light. Sometimes, rocker switches can be confusing if the TIS system or TIS app also controls the light, because the rocker switch will remain physically in the on or off position, and the user may need to move the switch up or down twice to turn the light on or off. To make the rocker switch behave like a two-way switch with the TIS system, set the command type for either the on or off status to reverse control. This function toggles the light every time you flip the rocker switch up or down. If the light is off, it will turn on. If the light is on, it will turn off. This ensures the rocker switch always works properly with the TIS system and app, no matter what the current light status is. If you connect the dry input to a sensor, such as a third-party motion sensor, you can enable a delay time. For example, you may want the light to turn off after no movement is detected for a few minutes. Depending on whether your sensor is normally open or normally closed, you can press Delay and add a delay time to the on or off status in hours, minutes, or seconds.